Hey guys, how are you? My name is Luz Marcela Alva de la Rosa, and I am from Melbourne, Florida. I moved to Kutztown on 2014. I am originally from Guadalajara, Mexico. I moved to the United States at the age of 17. I was supposed to go on my senior year, but because of the lack of language, they pushed me 2 years back to 10th grade, and that's how my story began. So, this is my family. I'm one of three, I'm the youngest. Here we have my dad, my brother Alan, my beautiful mom, my older brother Andrew, and myself. So, I want to add a little bit about me and my family because I believe family is the reason for me to wake up every day in the morning and do what I do. And I'm very passionate about my family because they are the center of my life. So, this picture, it's pretty much my mom's brother and sisters, and they live in Mexico. All my family lives in Mexico, except for my parents who still live in Florida. My brother Alan and his wife and his little baby girl, and my brother Andy and my sister-in-law and my other beautiful niece live in California. Everyone else from my mom's side lives still in Mexico. So here we have my second mom. She is my fiance's mother. When I moved here to Pennsylvania, I only had him because we both moved here to come to Kutztown, and his mom just adopted me as her own daughter, and she has treated me like a real mom, and I really, really love her. Over here, I have my grandmother. She is my dad's mom, and she lives in Florida as well. So, like I said, this is my sister-in-law Sylvia, and this is my little baby niece Gabriela. Here's my other sister-in-law Fernanda, and this is my other baby girl Carolina. And these two are my fiance's nephews, but I consider them as my nephews too. So this is Marcos, and this is Mario. And this is my little crazy baby. I just add this because I think it's funny. So I hope you guys like dogs. Great. Yeah, so that's my dog. He is 1 year old and he is my emotional support dog. I suffer from anxiety due to all this stress and things that happen in life. So we got him last year, and there he is. He's my little baby. These pictures are from my graduation, and that was such an important moment in my life because when I moved to Kutztown, at some point I thought I was not going to be able to graduate, and I have that meltdown and all that stress of, am I in the right track? Is this what's really happening? So graduating was a great experience for me because it helped me realize what I really wanted to do in my life. And here I have a picture with my two best friends who are my mom and my dad. They are truly my best friends. I'm also the grad assistant for the new student orientation program here on campus. We work with students and we help them transition from either high school to college or from another university to here Kutztown. So I do that all year long. We have pretty much orientations held during the summer. So I've been working a lot with them this summer, and I'm actually in my office right now doing this video. So that's what we do, and it's fun. You get to meet people, and actually getting to spend more time with high schoolers helped me realize I wanted to be in the secondary ed program because before I wanted to do younger kids. So this has impacted my life in a really, really amazing way. I just want to share this because it's still pretty recent for me. My fiance proposed on April, and of course I say yes. And here, this is a little overwhelming, but just because I add everything I'm planning to do from now to the end of the year and next year. So my next step is to go student teaching at Muhlenberg High School, which is like 30 minutes from here, and then graduate in December. Yay! And then get a job, which I have a job that's has been offered to me. I haven't accepted it for real because I'm still waiting and I'm still, just seeing where life has taken me. But this is an only charter high school up in Philadelphia. I got to observe there a couple months and it was just amazing. The experience and diversity was just unbelievable. And then another of my goals will be, besides getting a job, getting to have a classroom with all the materials and being able to be a great teacher for my students. And then get to know more about my students' culture and bring my own culture into the classroom so I can share with them that experience. And of course, try to concentrate mainly on my ESL certification and Spanish, which is what I'm gonna be certified on. And I don't know which one I'm gonna be teaching. I don't know if it's gonna be like a duo for the two of those, but I love both. ESL was amazing for me in high school because it was the only classroom where I was able to be myself and express my ideas and the way I felt. And Spanish is my first language, so that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to concentrate in these two areas. And as I'm continuing clicking, of course, starting to plan my wedding, which is still has a year to plan, but why not? And I just wanted to add this last quote on my presentation / video. It's education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. So this is my favorite quote because it really reflects what I want to do with this, and I really want to be able to help others change their mind and change their way to see things and show them that everything is possible and give them all those tools that they need to become a better person, because every kid should have the freedom to decide and to learn and to live in an environment that's safe and welcoming. So yeah, I'm sorry this has been almost 8 minutes of me talking, but I'm looking forward to meeting you all and get to know a little bit more about you. Have a good day. Goodbye.